Hello, this is Java Programming Lab 5. We are Group 6. I am Nahida Ratna and my group mate is Spencer Pritley. So for our application car repair shop, we have a utility class called dbutil. Running this class will add the necessary data in the database for our car repair shop. We have 3 tables here: owner, car, and repair. So if I run this, it seems everything is working. Database is connected, drop table, create table, delete data from table, inserting data into table, delete data from table, update data from table, and the query, everything is working. I have inserted 5 records in each table, and it's showing from the through the SQL statement select star from table. So then I have updated owner table, owner ID 4. I have updated the name and the email address. And in car table, I have updated car ID 2. Before it was sedan. Now I updated it to van. And in repair table, repair ID 1, the cost was 500 and it's updated to 600. So all of our queries and all of our function is working. In repair table, repair ID, this column is auto incremented. So we put owner ID and car ID, and this one is auto generated. So dbutil is working properly. Let's go to our application. This is our UI. We have lots of things to fit here in one page. It looks clumsy. Even all the table views are not showing properly, although we have everything that the lab is asking for. So let's here, this is our create table and drop table button. We already have tables in our database, so first we have to drop tables. Let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working. All the tables are dropped. Create tables, all the tables are created. Yeah, let's add data to our tables. add owner button. Owner data is successfully added to owner table, and here the data is also, all the data are also here showing. Before we have 5 data, now the 6th one is added, car data. From combo box we can choose one option, add car data. This is also working. Right now this data I have inserted into car table. This is also showing all the data. Now repair data. Date picker. Repair data is successfully added to repair table. The auto incremented column is showing number 6 here. It's added the data just now. It's working. So now the display report section. Here we have 3 options. We can display report by choosing owner ID or by car ID or between 2 dates. So let's pick owner ID first. Display report is engine repair. If I choose car ID, it's headlight repair, and if I choose between 2 dates from December 2 to December 10, display report, it's showing brake repair and oil change. So this is also working. This is my show table view button. All the data are showing here. It's working, but it's not showing the data in table view. Don't know why. In DB till we have Castro set, and in controller we have populate data function. Still it's not showing the data in table view. It is working here. So that's it. Thank you.